Yes, greetings. I have another one here. Detroit 60 series. Had a complaint of pushing coolant out the turbo. Pushing coolant out the turbo. We're assuming that it's a injector cup or a damaged liner, or it could be a cracked head. Let's check the engine oil. Whoa. You're not supposed to be up here. What? Wow, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. Wow. Okay, so alright, we're gonna we're gonna drain the oil and see what's happening. I need a cloth. Okay. Gonna drain this oil and see what is happening. Okay. I hope that. What the? Okay. Ooh, oh my God. Are you seeing that? That's, oh wow. Wow. That no look good. That not looking good. Okay. Wow. That's coolant. Oh my God. Yeah, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. Okay, so we're gonna drain the oil and remove the oil pan. Wow. Hell no. That's way too much coolant. Now you're starting to get oil. But I don't think this thing is going to. Wow.
You've got mail.
I'm wondering if this thing can hold it. Oh my God. Nope, I don't think it's gonna hold it. Nope, it's not going to hold it. Okay, so put in the bung to kind of stop it because my pan here is not big enough. Okay, my pan is not big enough to hold so much. Okay, wow, that is something. Alright, I had to empty the container because it's not big enough to hold coolant and not big enough to hold coolant and engine oil. Back again. Let's alright, again. Let's see how much we get this time. Let's see how much we get this time. I believe we're supposed to. All right, so let that drain, and next time I see y'all, this oil pan will be off. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna let that drain and I'll see you when this oil pan is off. Alright, and there we go. Alright, so update on this thing here. Alright, so far I see number 4 leaking. Number 4 leaking, and I don't pressurize it as yet, so I believe when I add some pressure to it, it will leak even harder. So let's get this oil pump out of the way. Get this oil pump out of the way, right? And then can pressurize it and see what is what. Alright, so we have the oil pump is off, and we had to take out the grill and gain access to the front, and we found additional damage. This is the mount for the engine mount, the mount that is welded on the cross member. That's the mount, the bracket break off it. Alright, so as you can see here, we are about I would say about 3 psi, so we're going to see how much pressure we can put in this, because it takes a lot. So we're gonna pump it and pressurize the system. pressurize the system and check under the truck to see the leak even better. We're about 5 psi now, so about 5. Give it a little bit more. Ooh. Wow, this is something. This is a lot harder than pressurizing a car cooling system. A little bit, about 6. I believe we have enough. Give it a little bit more. Although I would love to carry it to 15, but man, I'm not sure. I just got this kit. I'm not sure if I can use air. I would have to see the attachments on it to see, but yeah, about 7 psi. So we're going underneath and check. Okay. Okay. Wow. It's leaking even harder. Okay. Okay. So, alright. Yeah. This looks like number 4. Number 4. I'm not sure if it's the liner or the injector cup. I'm assuming that this cylinder it's about top dead center at the moment. 3 and 4 is at top dead center. But given the position where this is leaking, this is indicating that it's number 4 is leaking. So we'd have to dig deeper and find the root cause of why it failed. So yeah, so that's it. Okay.